The F1 error code on your carrier window AC indicates a room temperature sensor failure. This sensor, known as a thermistor, plays a crucial role in measuring the ambient air temperature in the room. The thermistor communicates this temperature data to the AC's control board, which uses it to make decisions about when and how much cooling is needed. Without accurate temperature readings, the system cannot regulate properly. When the sensor malfunctions, the AC displays the F1 error and may shut down or operate inefficiently to prevent damage. The thermistor works by changing its electrical resistance based on temperature, as shown in this resistance curve. This wiring diagram illustrates how the sensor connects to the AC's electrical system, allowing it to send signals to the control board. Understanding this sensor's role helps explain why an F1 error occurs and why it's important to address it promptly for proper AC operation. Several factors can cause the F1 error in carrier window air conditioners. These include dust accumulation on the sensor, loose or corroded wiring connections, power surges damaging the sensor, and general sensor aging or failure. The error often appears during startup or after resetting the unit. Understanding these common causes helps you narrow down potential problem areas when troubleshooting. Dust accumulation is a common cause. Over time, dust and debris can coat the sensor, interfering with its ability to accurately measure room temperature. This buildup can cause false readings that trigger the F1 error. Loose or corroded wiring connections can also cause the F1 error. If the wires connecting the sensor to the control board become loose, damaged, or corroded, the electrical signal may be interrupted, leading to a sensor failure code. Power surges can damage the delicate sensor electronics. Sudden voltage spikes can burn out the sensor's components, causing it to fail and display the F1 error. General sensor aging or failure occurs over time as the sensor's components wear out. Thermistors can lose accuracy or fail completely, especially in harsh environments, leading to the F1 error. The F1 error typically appears during unit startup or after a reset, when the system performs its initial diagnostics. Before calling a technician, try these simple DIY fixes. First, unplug the AC unit for at least 30 seconds to reset the system. Then, visually inspect the sensor and its wiring for any obvious damage, loose connections, or dust buildup. Gently clean the sensor with a soft brush or compressed air. Ensure all wire connections are secure. After these steps, power on the unit to see if the error clears. If initial troubleshooting doesn't resolve the F1 error, test the room temperature sensor with a multimeter. The sensor connects to the control board via wires. A failure here causes the F1 error. First, unplug the AC unit for safety. Then disconnect the sensor wires from the control board. Set your multimeter to resistance mode. Touch the probes to the sensor wires. A normal sensor shows 10 to 20 kiloohms resistance at room temperature, around 70 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 to 25 degrees Celsius. If the reading is significantly higher, lower, or shows no continuity, the sensor is faulty and needs replacement. First, locate the room temperature sensor in your carrier window AC unit. Refer to your unit's service manual for the exact location, which is typically behind the front panel near the control board. Before starting any work, always unplug the AC unit from the power outlet to prevent electrical shock and ensure safety. Once the unit is unplugged, carefully disconnect the wires from the faulty sensor. Note the wire colors and connections for reassembly. Then, gently remove the old sensor from its housing. Install the new room temperature sensor, ensuring the wires are connected correctly. Check for wiring polarity if your sensor has specific requirements, typically red to positive and black to negative. Secure the new sensor firmly in its housing to ensure proper contact and prevent future disconnections. Use the appropriate fasteners or clips as specified in your manual. Replacement sensors typically cost between $10 and $20. Remember to always unplug the unit before replacing parts to ensure your safety. If you've replaced the room temperature sensor and the F1 error code still appears, the issue may be with the control board. The control board is the brain of the air conditioner, responsible for processing temperature data from the sensor and making decisions about cooling operation. A malfunctioning control board can misinterpret the sensor's signals or completely fail to process the temperature information correctly. This leads to the F1 error, even with a working sensor. Replacing the control board is a more complex repair compared to sensor replacement. It involves careful handling of electrical components and may require specialized tools and knowledge to avoid causing further damage to the unit. Consider control board replacement only after all other troubleshooting steps have failed, and consult a professional HVC technician for this type of repair to ensure it's done safely and correctly. Regular maintenance can significantly reduce the risk of F1 errors in your carrier window AC. Start by cleaning the unit and sensor regularly to prevent dust buildup that can interfere with temperature readings. Check wiring connections periodically for tightness and signs of corrosion. Loose or corroded wires can cause sensor failure. Inspect connections every few months and secure any loose wires. Use a surge protector to shield the AC from power surges that can damage the sensor circuitry. Power spikes can cause sudden sensor failures, so connect your unit through a quality surge protector. Consider using Carrier's Totaline app for proactive sensor monitoring and predictive maintenance. The app can alert you to potential issues before they cause an F1 error, allowing you to schedule maintenance in advance. Newer carrier window AC models integrate smart technology and wireless sensors that are IoT-enabled to predict potential sensor failures before the F1 error even occurs. The Totaline app uses AI analytics to monitor sensor performance and alert users to potential problems. Firmware updates improve error reporting and diagnostic capabilities, leading to more reliable AC units and reduced downtime. In the future, autonomous ACs may heal sensors themselves, integrating with home automation like Google Nest.